Okay, so now it's time for our creamy avocado dressing. We're gonna start with 1 ripe avocado. Then we're gonna add in our organic heavy cream. Next, we're gonna put in some dill, salt and pepper. Really delicious. Okay, so now that you've got your creamy avocado dressing made, I'm gonna show you a couple of my favorite ways to use it. So here I've applied it to my meatless taco bowl. Balances out the dish really nicely, tons of flavor. Also, if you need a game time snack and you want to keep it lectin free, here you can use it as a dip with some plantain chips. Really good. Now, if you want to convert it to a vegan option, you can always substitute coconut milk for the heavy cream. Comes out really good that way too. Try it out, enjoy it.